Good afternoon, folks. My name is Josh Miller. I'm with Pocket Yacht Company. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the NorthCoast 235. We're here in Graysonville, Maryland, and we're your local NorthCoast dealer. All right, so first thing you'll notice when you get on board the NorthCoast 235 is we've got this Armstrong swim platform in the back. We've got a 250 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke outboard. In the aft transom here, you've got a nice live well. This fold down chair is really great for when you're out cruising or trolling. You want to have some ample seating for your guests. Otherwise, you got this real wide open construction center cockpit. All right, moving forward, you'll see, as with the other NorthCoast, we've got this canvas aft bulkhead, but it's also got this isinglass roll-up centerpiece for us to be able to access in and out. Good open air flow through the cabin. All right, moving forward into the cabin, we've got these two port and starboard side seats, lots of comfortable seating. Move forward to the captain's and co-captain's chairs. You got these big bulky cushions, large bolsters for raising your height of eye if you need to, and then come forward to the helm station. All right, as we move forward to the captain's chair, got this big bolstered seat, got all of your electrical controls, your battery switches, throttle control lever. This boat's been equipped with an electronics package, but these normally ship from the factory with a blank slate, so we can configure this boat to any of your own personal desires for electronics and equipment on board. As we go forward, we got the side windows with a sliding screen, but they also have an openable window, and then also these two big windshields open forward and lock in place. Makes for great airflow, certainly on the hotter day, and if you're trolling at slower speeds, it gives you some good airflow through the cockpit. Here on the port side, captain's chair, co-captain's chair, both have these big cushions and the bolster seat. Got some in bulkhead storage, and then the hatch and door going down below. Let's go take a look at the V-berth. All right, down below inside the V-berth to the NorthCoast 235, got a very nice, comfortable, spacious two-sided seat or bed, but also beneath it you've got this one center cushion that lifts up, and you've got a portable marine toilet. Okay, folks, thanks for your time today. Again, my name is Josh Miller. I'm with Pocket Yacht Company. We're here in Graysonville, Maryland. This was the NorthCoast 235.